Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage. Thanks for joining me here today. I'm going to show you a deodorant recipe that I use when I'm traveling, and I also use if I need something a little bit stronger. The potato you can use daily, but for some it's not strong enough and for others it's not so practical. So let's get right into the recipe and subscribe if you want to. Let's go. For this recipe, you'll need some coconut oil. Now, coconut oil is naturally antibacterial, and what causes body odor under your arms is bacteria. So this is great for helping with that. The second ingredient is baking soda. Now, baking soda is alkaline. It's on the pH scale at about 9. Can irritate some people's skin. You'll know when you put it on a few times. If it does, just stop using it. For me, I have sensitive skin and it works absolutely fine. Baking soda also absorbs odor, so it is fantastic for under your arms. Next ingredient is an essential oil. Now there's certain essential oils that are really good, so they're the ones that I stick to, and there's different ones that you can use. So whichever one that you're drawn to the smell, go for that one. You'll also need a glass jar to store it in. This is a coconut oil jar. All you need to do is so simple. You melt the coconut oil, add in the baking soda, add in the essential oil, give it a little mix, and then leave it in a cool place to harden. And if you are in a very hot country, you may need to keep it in the fridge. I put a good amount onto my palm of my hands, rub them together, and then just pop them under each arm. I allow it to dry for about 30 seconds to a minute. You don't want to put your clothes on straight after, but the baking soda will dry quite quickly. And it shouldn't feel slimy at all, and it hasn't destroyed any of my clothes. There you have it, one deodorant jar for you. When I'm going on holidays, I just transfer a little bit with a spoon into a tiny little glass jar. Works perfectly for me. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did, and let me know how you go or what you use. There's loads of deodorant recipes out there and they're fantastic. I'm just a little bit lazy and I like to use the minimum amount of ingredients that I can that will actually work and keep the waste as low as possible as I can. So share it with anyone you know and pop over, say hi on Instagram, and I will see you hopefully next week. Bye for now.